Oh shit, fire. Just kidding. Sir, what songing you like?
Mostly Indian.
Why this color very butter chicken so creamy? Come on, man. Having. Opening the mouth. What it coming inside from my baby mama. I'm having baby mama juice in here, and you tasting, and you're having like saying good one. She's going to be a bad bitch. You know bad bitch. You knowing about bad bitch?
Yes.
Okay, going to be like a modeling something. They're calling something Kyler Jenner. She looking like a Kyler Jenner. She looking like a Kyler Jenner. Holy shit! Hearing this sound? You're hearing that sound? Loving. Very creamy, that one. You're liking smell?
Yeah.
Awesoming.
Another bite?
You wanting one more bite, sir?
No, thank you.
Oh, you hate it. Okay. No zone is looking like 50. You can push 100. Not a problem for me. I like living the edging. I love living the edging. You know, one time I edging to a brekkie hill. Butter chicken.